issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Montague County in north-central Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Terrell, Oregon, 11 miles east of Henrietta, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Macon around 8:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill.